You are doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how we can manipulate the different data types with scanner. So let me first import the scanner class. So to do that I'll put import java.util.scanner. Then I write the main program. So public static void main string then arguments. So for example, let's consider that we need to get a Boolean value or read a Boolean value from the user. So first, let's ask the user to enter a Boolean value. So I write system dot out println enter a Boolean, but please before that I should write scanner, define a scanner, so I'll name it scanner equal new scanner system dot in, and then to get the Boolean value, so I first I define a Boolean one, so I'll write Boolean, my Boolean equal scanner. So to get it with scanner we should write scanner dot next Boolean. So this is it. And to get, so this to organize this I'm going to write a command get or reads a Boolean value from a user. After I'll show you how to read a byte value from the user. Sorry. So to do that I write system dot out println enter a byte value, and then I create a variable the type byte. So to do that I'm gonna write byte, my byte, and then write equal to scanner because I need to get this byte dot next byte. So this is it. And to read a double value from the user I write first system dot out println enter a double value, and to get it I define a variable type double, so to them writing double, my double equal scanner or scanner dot next double. This is it, guys. So here So, and then to read a float value from the user, first let me just write reads a float value from the user. I write system.out. I'll ask him to enter a float value. So to do that, I write system.out.println enter a float value. Then I create a variable. I name it my float, and the type is float. My float equal scalar dot next float. And also to read an integer value from the user, and which I did it in a previous video, so just I repeat it, so no problem, I'm gonna just repeat it. So to read an integer or an int from the user, this int, maybe you can ask the user to enter his age, everything, just the type must be an integer. So to do that, I'll ask him first system.out.println enter an int value, and to read it, I'll first create an integer variable. So to that, I write int my int equal scalar dot next int. So this is it, and then to read, I don't know, maybe let's just yes, to read a string, for example, to read a string from the user. So I should first ask him system.out print line enter a string, or enter, for example, your name. Enter your name, yeah, to be more efficient, to make our code more efficient. Enter your name. Then to get his name, I'll create a string. So string name, call it name, and equal to scalar next line, next line. Then let me just show you how to read a short value from the user. So for example, instead of asking him enter a short, so to make our code more nice, I write, for example, system.out print line I don't know, enter your ID, yeah, and this ID should be between -127 and 128, yeah, so -127 and 128. So, and to get this ID, I write short, my short, or my ID, yeah, equal scalar dot next short. And the last one, how to read a long value from the user. So to do that, write system out print line into value, and to get it I write first I create a variable long, so long, my long dot or equal scalar next long. So this is the end of the show, guys. So I hope everything went good. So please, if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and uh, be sure you click the like button. So thank you, and for next videos.